Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by ensuring your iPhone is updated, signed into Apple ID, and has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on. This allows seamless device discovery. Once done, take the AirTag out and place it close to the phone so the NFC handshake can start immediately. Make sure the Find My app is open and you're on the Items tab, then tap Add Item or simply press the AirTag to trigger the pairing prompt. This starts the official pairing flow. Once the iPhone recognizes the AirTag, you'll see a Connect screen. Tap it to continue. You then choose or type a label like keys or backpack so the Find My app shows a clear identifier. This helps when you have multiple items linked. Make sure you confirm registration to your Apple ID. This ties the AirTag to your account for anti-theft features and secure location sharing. If asked, allow location permissions so the item appears on your map. To finish, tap Done and test the AirTag by playing a sound or checking its location in Find My. This verifies the connection and mapping. If the AirTag reports low power later, replace the CR2032 battery. That restores reliable tracking. If pairing fails, restart your iPhone, move the AirTag within 1 inch of the phone, remove any case or metal obstruction, then retry. These steps resolve most connection glitches and ensure the device completes setup properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.